Hello everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topic of the day. Today's topic is tiny gold particles can help early detection of Parkinson's disease. The yellow metal, rather tiny particles of it, can hold the key of the nanotechnology based tool for early detection of Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is one of the fastest growing neurological disorder globally with an aging population of rising life expectancy. The number affected by the disease in India is projected to increase substantially, placing immense pressure on health systems. Yet, most diagnoses occur only after significant neurodegeneration has already taken place. Hence, researchers are on the lookout for ways in which the disease can be detected at an early stage so that adequate measure can be taken to manage it appropriately. A group discussion among scientists at Institute of Nanoscience and Technology, Mohali, Autonomous Institute of the Department of Science and Technology, exploring how proteins behave differently in the brain during disease, sparked a big idea. They started exploring whether they could detect how dangerous a protein is just by sensing its surface charge. They focused their attention on the protein called acynucleon linked to PD. This protein changes shape, starting out harmless and eventually clumping into toxic forms that damage brain cells. See, so ultimately what happens? It damages the brain cells. The team started working towards a sensor to tell these protein forms apart just by how they are charged. Their solution came in the form of gold nanoclusters, ultra small glowing particles just a few nanometers wide. By coating these nanoclusters with naturally occurring amino acids, the researchers gave them selective stickiness. Proline coated clusters were drawn to the normal version of the protein, while histidine coated ones latched into the toxic aggregates. This helped distinguish between the harmless monomeric form and the toxic aggregated form. The journey from concept to proof of principle involved a broad spectrum of experiments. The team began by engineering and purifying two forms of the acynucleon protein, which is normal and mutant. They then synthesized the amino acid capped gold nanoclusters and meticulously characterized them using high-end techniques such as UV vis spectroscopy, fluorescence imaging, electron microscopy, and X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy to understand their optical and structural properties. The interactions between nanoclusters and the proteins were studied through gel electrophoresis, fluorescence quenching, and electrochemical methods like cyclic voltammetry and impedance spectroscopy, which allowed the team to measure how sensitively the nanoclusters could detect different forms of the protein. Finally, the system was tested in human-driven SY5Y neuroblastoma cells to ensure it worked safely and effectively in biological conditions. The project was led by Dr. Sharmishta Sinha, senior scientist in INST, and was supported by her PhD students, Ms. Harpreet Kaur and Ms. Ishani Sharma. They also collaborated with Mr. Deepak Sharma and Arpit Tyagi at CSIR Institute of Microbiological Technology, Chandigarh, who contributed their expertise in protein biochemistry and cell-based analysis. This collaboration between young researchers and experienced scientists helped turn a simple lab discussion into a validated biosensing platform. A tool that can detect the disease before symptoms appear could mean earlier treatment, improved quality of life and lower long-term healthcare costs. The research also opens the door to detecting other diseases linked to misfolded proteins like Alzheimer's using similar nanotechnology by making the system label-free, low-cost, and clinically adaptable. The team hopes it can someday be used in point-of-care testing, bringing powerful diagnostics closer to people who need them most. It could contribute to the global effort to prevent and manage non-communicable neurological diseases also. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.